cut out some stuff.
Oh my God. Give me a year, right? You know.
My God. You know, in the lab, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
We working while we working.
Like, you hear me?
You know what I'm saying? You know how it's going, y'all.
I got some water.
Day 2, y'all. You know. Got it on today. And then now I have my new favorite shirt on today. Randy Savage, man. Yeah, I found this in the thrift store like 3 or 4 days ago. It's I looked it up, worth $150. So yeah. Oh, we back at it. Day 2. Oh yeah, and we saw one thing. Actually, something we found recently. Little a baby jacket. You know, so we trying to get this chicken, man. We had a pretty good day on eBay yesterday. I ain't gonna lie to you. I might show y'all that if I don't know. I might show y'all that. I am now.
Okay, fresh off of 2 hours of sleep. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Still working right. While we working, doing this. You know, so we got everything. Show them the boot. So, oh, you got the drip. You hot. You hot.
Your bad.
It's always my bad.
Always. And forever. At least you know.
Y'all help me, bro.
At least you know.
I got 5 yesterday.
We got crocheting over there.
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah.
Be shy now.
We saw the hat. I didn't get it on film, but I think I'll pop a picture up. I don't know. Hopefully I can pop a picture up, but just saw one of the Louis designer print hats and stuff like that. So, you know, it's a good day, man. Getting our feet wet. Hopefully we can, that gets the ball rolling and we get the sticking. I forgot to record. It's all good though. But we just sold another pair of shoes, and feeling good about this day, man. Feeling good. I thought you were talking. Now I moved over here because I was, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
You know, yeah.
I'm tripping.
Right. Nah, it's hard. It's hard for real. Oh, this leaf. Oh, this is probably gonna cost you a pretty penny. That's hard.
You think somebody did that or you think leave? I don't think leave.
I don't know, bro. It's hard though. Oh, it's not.
Fifth one I've done. I did Oriental one, and then I did one with long on. No, it's all patchwork.
Oh.
And then hand stitching.
Yeah. Oh, excuse me. Oh, I'm sorry. Wow.
Patchwork and hand stitching. Sort of like a crazy quilt, you know? Thank you.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, what you forgot?
Cool.
I stole too. You get over there? Oh, this me?
Nah. I mean, yeah. You go. You marketing director.
Real talk.
You know what I'm saying? Could that be 7 just hired a new marketing director?
You know what I'm saying?
I fired him yesterday, but you know, I rehired.
Yeah, it's really what happened the whole time.
Day 3. I'm tired. I'm gonna be real. I'm tired as mud. And then I got so much work to do. I know I got at least, on eBay alone, I probably got like 9 to 10 shoes I have to do. Sneakfest is coming up weekend, so I got to get as many shoes as I can done for that, plus hats and rugs. Yeah.
We used to have some white and pink ones. Super.
Had them, John. Yep, that exact pair.
Get your Willies. You You sure? Or you need a 10? You know the Skechers, they run like a little slim on the toe box.
Yeah.
Yeah. You need them? I got you. For birthday gift. Bags. Bags. I got you, man.
Clown certificates right there. Clown, Octavius, all of that. The Pokemon joint. 5. Tennessee joint hard. Got you, bro. Joint hard. Cause I do feel like I'm a black redneck. Hear me?
And you think folks gonna think that? You think folks gonna know that mean 901, or they just think I'm from the 9?
They're not gonna know. I don't see them knowing.
You don't see them knowing, so I got it for no reason. I feel dumb. Say less. I feel dumb.
It's possible. You know I'm gonna keep it real.
Okay.
It's possible.
I feel dumb. It's hard.
Nah, that's hard, yeah. That's hard. Let's brighten that up. Yeah, that's hard.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, nah, it's 2000. That's when my little brother was born. It's hard.
Oh, yeah.
It bark hard too. The bark sense.
Yeah, I was looking
hard.
at it. He got some Elvis or something too.
Dang, what do I have? I know I got something natural, but
Of course you do.
I think I want to buy a pair of these camos. Sweet, yeah.
Sometimes, especially with all that they have to make it.
Yeah. I wish I could try these junks on. I said I wish I could try these junks on. Oh. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like I know I could. Nah, it's theirs.
You know, Memphis is the home of the Blues.
I just got a birthday gift, y'all.
Yes, sir.
Help me out. My guy was playing. He played too much, but he ended up working out for me.
We live?
Give me some of this thing so they can see the whole corner.
Straight.
Alrighty guys, I got Brandon here with this Green Bay Packers hat, the vintage 90s hat. He's gonna be shooting for $5 off.
So
Let's get it going.
Let's get buckets.
We gotta get the arm warm. Let's get these shots going.
He ain't take nothing off. Say no more. Got the strap on the shoulder.
Dunk on me. It's gonna be crazy. That would be quality content, but you'll be smacking into that wall hard.
The first one I'm gonna shoot it. If I don't make it, then the second one I'm gonna dunk it.
All right, the putback.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
Should we go 2 or should we go 1? What you think?
1.
1?
He's gonna hit that wall hard.
1. Hey!
I put too much flair on it.
Yeah, too much butter, man.
If I ain't go here, it would have been cool. That's I got
$20. Appreciate you.
Yeah, he got to redeem himself. Say no more. I see the form, though. You definitely got to redeem yourself. Let me see that dunk one more time.
So 1 or 2 this time?
1. Again, you got to redeem yourself.
I got.
Exactly. I got that drip for real though.
You look how I penetrated, baby. I'm a smoothie. Rubbing on you like that, you thought that I'm a soothie. She going crazy now. She want a baby. She going crazy, damn. She want my baby. I just can't sit up and fantasize. How my life would be if you ain't going right. Too many ways to get it. Too many days to get it. Too much.
We just got through setting up everything. It was pretty easy this time. I ain't having much stuff as I normally have, but it's all good though. So literally everything I got right now is a custom. Yeah, everything I got right now is a custom. So we finna see how this thing go, man. We already done sold 1 pair, before we even started the thing, because I posted on Instagram, my dog hit me up, was like, I need that. So I sold them. So we basically in the clear now for profit already. So that's a blessing.
Time to split, you know I pop it for a reason. You can't tell me cause I see it. I pop it for a reason.
I like these a lot.
You can't tell me cause I see it.
Oh snap. Nah, these crazy. Yeah, these crazy. The detail. How long did it take you to make these?
I want to say 12 hours, but I lost count.
Yeah, it looked like it. Looked like you got lost in these.
Get the roach.
Oh, the roach. Oh, my goodness. You got the roach.
I'm a little proud of the roach.
Yeah, I see. Yeah. That, it look real.
On these ones, it says it's spelled accolades.
Oh, nah, y'all different with that. Ah, yeah.
I can work with these two.
Light blue turned purple in the sun.
Oh, yeah?
Same with these.
How you like working with the, what they call it? Man, what's crazy, I started doing this. Like,
See that print on those?
yes. And the hexagons and stuff.
Oh yeah. Color guard. My cousin did that.
I need me hitting you up. I'm out here winging it.
Man, hey. Shoot, you can come by the house, man. Kind of see my setup and how I'm gonna have to get you to do me a pair.
What size you wear?
A 10.
You can get these.
Hey y'all, so I'm at the sneakfest today, and ooh, my face is working out a little, but I just like wanted to say hey because I stay in Memphis still, and Brand stay in Nashville now, so I really don't be having a camera, but like, do y'all want to see my shoes?
I can't even hear you.
So them my shoes, y'all. Sorry. So them is my shoes, and I didn't even buy nothing. So I bought a hat. That's all I bought today. Yeah, KJ. I guess KJ want to say hey. KJ, that was a different color. So I'm just like recording at the sneakfest. Say hello, everyone. How you guys doing today? Okay, guys, I'm gonna go now. Bye.
What? Oh yeah, they're like $500. I wanted them, but I'm not paying them. Yeah, that's a fat man. I'm gonna get the cash out. You hear me?
Smell it too. This one's a mahogany shade, and then this one's a cotton. So that's cotton, and then this mahogany.
crazy. What's up, man?
You customize anything.
I wish I had a car I could drive like this.
We're about to do some more raffles.
No.
About to do some more raffles.
I just bought you some pants. Yeah.
I just saw that.
Oh, now.
If you were asked to be a judge when it comes to
So, overall, man, it was a successful event. Successful few weeks, I guess. It was amazing to meet some of y'all. It was crazy. Like, I go to these events and don't really think that I'm gonna meet. You know what I'm saying? Like, cause I'm not the biggest YouTuber in the world and stuff like that, so I don't expect to meet. But it's the next day, my bad. I'm just not editing this video again. Well, starting to edit this video again. But as I was saying, man, I don't really expect to meet like people that watch my videos when I go to these places, cause I mean I don't feel like, you know, I'm big enough for people to just that many people to watch my video to where like they actually see me and be like, hey, this dude or whatever, you know what I'm saying? I guess, I don't know. But it definitely was a humbling experience, and it definitely motivated me to keep on pushing out this content, because for my video to touch somebody, to help them actually get something going and thrive at it, man, that means way more than just, you know, making a video that people like and stuff like that. Like, I'm actually helping and doing something for people. It's bigger than entertainment and all that kind of stuff. So it definitely got me back in line, and knowing my purpose and knowing that, you know, what I'm doing is greater and much bigger than myself as an individual. So I'm definitely going to really push hard for y'all and to create some good content that'll help y'all get into places that y'all want to be. And so we can all grow together. That was the purpose of me creating this channel, you know what I'm saying, to help people out and give people, you know, a different way to make money, or even give you a hot side hustle, or just if you entertained by me, you know what I'm saying, that's cool too. But appreciate y'all, love y'all as usual, you know what I'm saying. Make sure y'all like the video, man, because I'm gonna be honest, it takes a lot for me to be able to have the energy at the end of the day and edit these videos and stuff like that. So y'all just like to jump for me, please. Y'all see I'm out here looking bad. I don't even have the energy to cut my hair, but I'm making these videos for y'all, man. So y'all just cut me some slack. I'm gonna get myself right in a minute. But like the video, make sure you subscribe, join the squad, you hear me? And I got more heat on the way, a whole lot of different videos, and a whole lot of videos that's gonna help y'all be great. With that being said, I'ma catch you. You hear me? Oh yeah, and shout out to everybody who came up to me and told me they watched the videos and stuff like that. Shout out to Dre and his daughter, that I still can't pronounce your name, but that is my dog right there. We took a picture. I'm gonna pop that mug up. But shout out to everybody who came to me and, you know what I'm saying, told me they watched the videos and all that good kind of stuff. I'm gonna keep going for y'all, man.